In this video we will learn how to install a smoke alarm and how to test the smoke alarm, because here there is test button, and how to test this one. I bought two smoke alarm from two different brands just to make sure if one doesn't work. So I already installed this one. Now I'm showing how to install that one. In this package we have this smoke alarm, we have also this one and this screw. So let's install and test this one. I want to install here, and so that I can also see the test button from this side. So it need to be this way, it need to be this way, right? So one hole it will go that side and this one the other side. Now we already gave those, it's included in the package. So one go here, another one is here. Yes. Now you should this is done. Now it will go here. If you rotate this way it will locked, if you rotate the other way it will unlock. So yes, now rotate, yes, now it's locked. Okay, so it's done. Now the question is how you can test it. So to test, just press this one, the test button, it will beep. Okay, if you test now, press again, yeah, it will stop. But if this one is in any other place, it will not beep that way. When you install, only then you can test. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.